welcome back to the beach. I'm on Ayr Beach. Look at this, absolutely glorious sand. There's a couple of other detectives out. I'm out with the Deus 2, as you can see there. I haven't upgraded the version, so I'm still running on version 2, but on my other controller I have. So this video will be version 2, and then tomorrow, if the wind calms down, because it's supposed to be between 40 and 44 mile an hour winds tomorrow, so if we're still here, I may come out with the version 3 just to give it a little bit of a test on the sand, just to see what it's like. So we've got plenty of dry sand and quite a lot of wet sand, and the tide is coming in. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Thank you very much to all my new followers, much appreciated, and unbelievable amount of new followers, including 14,000 views for some unknown reason on my Blackpool video. I can't believe it. Thank you very much appreciated. See you at the first hole. Bye. Oh dear me, it's a 62 now. Originally it was a 55, 56, so I thought 5p. Now I'm looking at ring pull. First hole of the beach at Ayr, a ring pull. Thank you very much. We've got an 85. We have an 85. Could be a coin. Could also be a fishing weight. I'm not holding up any odds at the moment. Oh, it's out. It's out. It's not a fishing weight. It's in the scoop. Is it a coin? Yes, it is. Second hole. And we got a pound. We got a pound. That's what we like to see. £1. Oh, we've got an 86 solid. Oh, 86, 87. Could be a penny. Could also be a pound again, because they do jump around with their numbers. But then again, it could be just. Oh, there it is. Is that it? 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 Yes. We've got another pound. Thank you very much. Oh, we've got an 86. Can we make it a trio? In there? Yes, we can. Oh, that's going to pay for my parking for the night. £3. 63, 64, possibly another ring pull. You get coins at them numbers as well, but I think it's going to be a ring pull. The rain's starting to come down a bit now as well. And that, what is it? Off. That was a bit of gold then. No, it's just a bit off of a bottle. Goes around the rim, and you screw the bottle head on, or bottle lid on, I should say. So there you go. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, I've got another 86, 87. See if we've got another pound, shall we? Yes, we have. And there you go. I think I've had 6 holes and £4. I've got a 69.70. Ordinarily I'd say it's a 20p piece, but I'm not too sure nowadays. That's what it used to be when I was on a 0.71 of a version. And yep, it is 20p piece. Get sand on that, get that red off. Back to normal again. There you go, 20p piece. I think that's hole 7. 7 and I have 5 coins. 72, 73. Cool. That's way all over the place, that one is. All over the place. No, it's not. It's now 77. Oh, bloody vape. Oh well. Never two, I suppose. There you go. One vape. We've got 54. Could be a coin. And that's because it is. That's a 5p. There you go. 5p piece. I got 59. A little bit of a fishing weight and a spinner. So there you go. I've got no corks on me, so if I find one on a beach, I'll put the hooks into it. But yeah, 59. There's an 87. Yeah, 87 only. Could be another £1 on it. Of course it is. Thank you very much. £1. And I've just got 10p. So what I'll do is I'll just leave you on a second, see if I get any more. Oh, I don't believe it, I just got £1. And that was coming up as a 66, 67, so I think it must have been masked by something else. I don't quite know what, but that came out of there. Another £1. And I've got another 70, so it's going to be a 20p piece. Or something else. That 20p piece. Get the redness off of it. As best as I can. My legs are getting soaked. There you go. 20p. Now I've got 75. Don't know what that could be. It's out anyway. An earring. An earring. By the looks of it. Or a pin badge. Cool. Yeah, that's going to be a hefty earring if it is, but no, I'd say that's probably a pin badge, to be fair. I might be wrong. There you go. Right, this one was grunting at me, but I could actually just see that much. But yeah, 5p. Happy days. Oh, I got 70 solid. Bit of coin. Yes, it is. Another 20p. It's got 2p. Oh no, it's not, it's a 10 pence. That's a 65. Yeah, it was a 65, that's a 10 pence. There you go. Right, it's in there now. And it is a 5p. After all that. Yeah, 5 pence piece. As I say, might be a last sale. I've only got about another 50 yards to go, I think, and then I'm back at the van. So there you go, 5 pence. God, it's rough as anything. It's an 87. Rough as anything. It's still a pound though. Yeah, pound. That was as rough as anything. Alright. We've got an 87. The wind's brutal. Is it going to be a pound? Yes it is. Makes it worthwhile, doesn't it? Look at that, hey? Another pound. Must have about £8 now, I think. Let's just have a look, see if there's any more. No, no more. Well, what can I say? Yeah, the weather did change, to say the least. It's now raining quite hard, blowing a gale, as it is forecast 40 to 40, 44, 45 mile an hour winds or whatever it's supposed to be. I did well. I think I got £8 or £9 or thereabouts, and a few other silly little bits, you know, vape I think it was, and some ring pulls as normal, and a bit of bling. So yeah, all in all, not a bad outing on the beach. I didn't go out very far. I did go right out to the water's edge when it was out there, and then when the wind changed and became very wet as well, I decided to head up towards the walls. So I found a few coins out on the wet sand, and the rest of it was all on the dry sand. If you've got this far, I really appreciate it. Again, thank you very much for all my new subscribers. And as I said before, you know, that Blackpool Beach video, I can't believe the amount of views that got. Always remember, you've got the LP code, which is OPS10, or the long thing is www.lpmetaldetecting.com/OPS10. Either way, I'll get a little bit of a kickback, which I then put back into the channel, so on giveaways and stuff like that. So yeah, much appreciated. If you don't want to use my code, it's not a problem. There's many out there, so just use any. But you know, ideally, if you want to use mine, then please do, if you're grateful for it. But as I say, if not, then there is other people out there with a code. So don't know when my next video will be after this, because I'm heading up Ben Nevis. Obviously not in this weather. So we're just waiting for the weather to die down, and then we're heading up to Fort William and then up to Ben Nevis. Thank you very much appreciated. See you on the next, whenever that may be. Enjoy, and as I say, much appreciated to all my new subscribers, and obviously my loyal subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye.